Have you ever wondered how scientists peer into the fundamental building blocks of matter? The answer often involves one of the largest and most complex machines ever built, the particle accelerator. Today, we're diving into the incredible physics and engineering behind these machines, specifically using the world-famous Large Hadron Collider, or LHC, as our prime example. At its core, a particle accelerator is a device that uses electromagnetic fields to propel charged particles to extremely high speeds and energies. The goal isn't just speed, it's energy. By smashing particles together, scientists recreate conditions similar to those moments after the Big Bang, allowing them to study fundamental particles like quarks and leptons, and understand the forces that govern the universe. The operation of an accelerator relies on two main forces: electric fields for acceleration and magnetic fields for steering. Particle accelerators are built to manipulate charged particles, such as protons or electrons, because these particles respond directly to electromagnetic forces. To gain speed, particles pass through special structures where oscillating electric fields give them an energetic kick, much like catching a wave. This happens repeatedly, boosting the particles closer and closer to the speed of light. In a circular accelerator like the LHC, particles are traveling in a loop. To keep them on this curved track, incredibly powerful magnets are essential. Dipole magnets generate a uniform magnetic field that exerts a force on the moving charged particles, causing them to turn the corner and remain within the circular vacuum pipe. In addition to steering, the particle beam must be kept tight and narrow. This is where quadrupole magnets come in, acting like magnetic lenses to focus the beam, ensuring maximum collision efficiency. Now let's look at the overall journey of a particle in a massive ring accelerator like the LHC, starting from its source. The process begins with a linear accelerator, or LINAC, which provides the initial boost to the particles before injecting them into the first, smaller booster rings. The particles are then gradually transferred through a series of increasingly larger rings, known as synchrotrons, where electric kicks and magnetic forces continuously ramp up their energy until they are ready for the main ring, the Large Hadron Collider itself. The LHC, situated beneath the border of France and Switzerland, is a gargantuan ring, 27 kilometers in circumference, designed to push particles to unprecedented speeds, just shy of the speed of light. The ultimate goal of the accelerator is to make particles collide head-on at specific points around the ring. By smashing particles together at extremely high energies, the energy of the collision is converted into new, often heavier, subatomic particles according to Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared. Massive detectors like ATLAS and CMS surround the collision points to track, measure, and record the debris created by these powerful impacts, gathering the data that leads to new discoveries. Particle accelerators are a monumental achievement of global collaboration, combining cutting-edge physics and engineering. In summary, they function by using electric fields to accelerate charged particles, magnetic fields to steer and focus them, and ultimately, by making them collide to unlock the secrets of the universe. These machines have led to transformative discoveries, perhaps most famously the confirmation of the Higgs boson, cementing their role as essential tools for fundamental physics research.